Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dana. Welcome. And today I have a really fun video. We're talking about rich body products for after the shower. It is winter. My skin is dry and I have normal balanced skin on my face and my body. So I know if you have drier skin, you are feeling that like crepey, flaky, dry, itchy feeling. And these are the products. I've gone through so many body butters, lotions, all the things, but these are the three that I feel have the best results for me. And the bonus is they all smell absolutely divine. So let's get into it for one of these shorter, quicker, faster paced videos. Okay, the first one that I have is the Hanni Splash Salve. This one retails for $34 and comes in 8.8 fluid ounces. Now let's take a look on the inside. First of all, this packaging is aluminum and I love it. And I have used it almost all up and I'm just trying to milk it for the last few drops because I'm trying to save money, but I do need to repurchase it. The thing that makes this so great is you put it on in the shower. It's kind of like the last step. I mean, you don't actually have to do it as the last step, but you put it on while you're covered in water. And what it does is it just envelops your skin. It kind of leaves it like a little bit waterproof. The water droplets just rinse off of it, but not like but the salve is still on your skin. So it's this deep conditioning. It locks in all moisture and it also, like I said, smells divine. You do not need to put any lotion on afterward. It is water activated. It's got coconut oil, shea butter, jojoba esters, and glycerin. So we're talking like the most moisture you can get for the bang for your buck. And like I said, scent is divine. I'm gonna talk about the scents later, but that one, I mean, it's hard to say if I have a favorite, but this is like the ultimate lazy girl technique because you don't have to do anything after the shower. And one of the problems with me and like body products is I tend to forget and I get like rushed and I'm doing all these things after my shower. So this one is easy to do in the shower. You're done, you don't have to worry about it, and you're gonna smell delicious all day or night. Okay, the next one I have is the Corpus Natural Body Butter. I've talked about this before. I think this was in my year-end favorites for body products, and I've also gone through almost all of this. This one is a little bit more pricey. This is $58 and you only get 5.5 fluid ounces. So in comparison, this one is 8.8 and this is 5.5. And the packaging is actually bigger and heavier, but you're getting less product. So this one uses tremella mushrooms extract. And tremella mushroom is supposed to be a skincare superhero. It's supposed to hold significantly more water than hyaluronic acid. So the point being, this is gonna help nourish and moisturize your skin. It's gonna also help with elasticity and firmness. And it has shea butter, also cocoa butter, sunflower seed oil, and vegan squalane. And I've also talked about the texture of this. It's unlike most body butters. When I think of body butter, I think of really, really heavy products. And this one doesn't have that feel. It's kind of got like, it does have a whipped consistency. It's still very, very nourishing, but it also sinks in a lot quicker than most body butters. And that's my issue. A lot of body butters just sit on your skin and I cannot stand that. So if you're anything like me and you have like, I don't know, I have self-diagnosed myself with some sensory issues, but if you don't like that feel, but you still want to have nourished, hydrated skin, this is a really good option. And last up, I have my little bar, but this is the Snif Crème Couture Body Butter Bar. This is a unique product. Actually, I would say all three of these are unlike most other products. Like there's just something about them, but this one, I've never seen anything like it. You're getting only 1.6 fluid ounces, but of course it's a little bit of a different delivery system. And this one's only $19. Currently it is sold out right now. I will list it below, but I would just put your name on the email list because I think I bought like 2 or 3 when I first got it and I need to replenish, but it's definitely worth being on the list for this. Okay, so what is this? It's basically just what it seems like. It's a body butter bar. So when you get out of the shower, I've done it on both like more damp skin and dry, and I actually prefer it on dry skin. You just take the bar. It can be a little crumbly, so just be careful, and you just rub it on your body. And it's basically going to leave a layer of moisturizer. This one has vitamin E, sea buckthorn oil, grapeseed oil, and jojoba oil. And because of the method of delivery, it just is sitting just a little bit differently. It's gonna moisturize your skin, but I find that it's a deeper moisturization than just putting on a lotion because it does sit on your skin a little bit and not in like a bad way. And it also just smells divine. If you've ever smelled Crème Couture, it's a Gourmand. It's a very like croissant, berry, jam, fig, that kind of feel. And you just want to basically like eat your body, which sounds incredibly weird, I know. Anyway, let's talk about the scent profiles for all three of them, and then we will wrap this up. All right, so this one, the Hanni is considered a bright floral clean. It has rose stems, pink pepper, pear, jasmine, amber, and honeywood. People say that it smells like a fresh upscale boutique or salon or spa, that kind of thing. Very revitalizing and invigorating. And I would agree. I also, when I smell it, I think the rose stems, pink pepper, maybe the jasmine come forward. And those scents aren't my favorite, but I'm telling you, it's not like your traditional rose scent. It's way more sophisticated and like modern than like what I think of as a rose or like jasmine scent. The next one is the Corpus Natural. I love all these scents so much. This one is supposed to be a spicy citrus, which is, now that I read that, I kind of get it. I smell more of like a clean, green, fresh natural, but it has bergamot, pink lemon, orange blossom, and it's supposed to smell expensive, which I definitely get. I guess I do get a citrus smell, but it's really more that like green, clean feel that I get, and a little bit of dry and maybe woody. I don't know. I'm trying my best. So love it. Again, unlike most scents that I've ever smelled. Okay, the next one, we have the Snif 𝐶𝐿. This one is supposed to smell like a pastry shop. So like a croissant, buttery, flaky pastry, that kind of thing. Jam, warm, rich, indulgent. Toasted vanilla is in it. Sandalwood, they do say jam, and what else? Basically, something you want to eat. Like, I can't get enough of that smell. Anyway, so those are the scents. I feel like they all kind of have a different scent profile. So if you are more of a gourmand lover, you may love the 𝐶𝐿. If you're maybe like a little bit more, I don't know, like otherworldly, very sophisticated, this might be best. And then again, I don't smell like traditional florals, but very invigorating, energizing, kind of like fresh florally scent for the Hanni. All right, so that wraps it up. I hope you enjoy. I hope you purchase one of these if you are interested. I love them all. Clearly, I've gone through many of them, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.